What's up guys, Daniel here for HGN, and I have a few questions for you. Are you into scaring yourself silly? Do you change your shorts often because of fear? Are you a fan of creepypastas? Well, if you answered yes to 2 of 3 questions but found yourself asking what is a creepypasta, let me fill you in. There is a creepypasta forum on the internet where, new authors or semi-skilled authors come together and just submit very short and chilling horror stories to the public. And if all that sounds like your kind of thing, then boy do I've got some news for you. See, these stories can sometimes be very good, in fact so good that they get wind of the higher ups in Hollywood. Well, that's right, Max Landis is actually executive producing a show called Channel Zero on Sci-Fi that's gonna mostly revolve around the semi-popular story Candle Cove. Now, for those of you not familiar with the story of Candle Cove, I recommend you click on the link down below that'll take you to the original story. Now, if reading's not really your thing, that's okay, I've got you covered. Down below that link is another one that'll take you to a video of a narration of the story, if you will, done by Mr. Creepypasta. Now, this isn't some kind of collaboration. I just genuinely myself like this guy's stuff. He's a really good narrator, and I personally myself am a big fan of the creepypastas. Don't tell anyone. But that pretty much covers the whole premise of the first season. It's gonna be 6 episodes, just kind of expanding on the whole story of some kind of weird channel that was on TV that no one really watched. But that's all I got for you as far as that. Make sure you look out for the show. It's gonna be on Sci-Fi on September 27th. I don't know what time it's gonna be, but if you do like my stuff and the way I present the news, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and be afraid. Be very afraid. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Go ahead and do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below, like, share, do whatever you want or not. It's your life.